Can you believe this realistic ASMR cooking video was created with AI? No real chef, no filming, just 2 simple prompts. Let me show you exactly how I created it. Head over to your Chrome browser and type Wix AI. You will see this Google Flow. Click on it and it's going to bring you to this interface. You have to sign in. So if you don't have an account, just create one. Now when you sign in, you'll see this new project. You click on new project and start, but because I already have an account with them, I will just click on where my projects were, my saved projects. Okay, so yeah, this is it. I clicked on it and it brought me to this interface where my saved projects were. So I just pasted this prompt. This is the prompt I'm going to use. Now you need to say this, attach the image of the food or the dish you want. Okay, so I'm going to attach it to this prompt and I will show you how. If you have any food that you want your ASMR videos to make, you want the character to prepare that dish, I will show you how to attach it to this prompt in Google Flow. Click on this plus sign above. You will see this upload media, create collection, create character, and create scene. So just click on upload media. It's going to bring you here, photo library, take a photo, choose files or Google Drive. So wherever your food dish is, just click on it. Mine is in my photo library. So I clicked on it and it got me here. Now choose the dish you want your character to prepare. So I did that. Once you've clicked the dish you want your character to prepare, it's going to load up here like an image. You see this? So this is the dish I want my character to prepare. And what do I do next? Click on this plus sign below. Once you click on this plus sign below, it's going to take you to where that image you uploaded is and your saved projects. Okay, so this is the image and I clicked on it so that I can attach it to my prompt. So you can see it has been attached to our prompt. You click on this nano banana. Because we have an image already, we want a video straight up. Okay, it's set to my image, so I'll change it to video. And mind you, this is for free. I did not pay. This is for free. Now you click on your video and you change it to any size you want it to be in. If you want it to be in 16:9 or 9:16. For YouTube Shorts, you choose 9:16, TikTok and Facebook videos. But for YouTube video, we'll use 16:9. Okay. Now you change this generations, the amount of generations you want your video to come out. You change it to 1. We're going to change it to 1 because we're using our credits in a strategic way so that we won't run out of credits along the line. And make sure you set the seconds to 10 seconds and click on it. Now it's generating. We'll wait a bit for it to generate. Now it has generated. Here's the video. Let's watch it together. Now this is the exact meal I attached to this prompt. It came out beautiful. Now click on this download. It's going to show this 720p. Now we're going to use the same prompt for an image I already generated on my Google Flow. This is the image, this particular one. Now you can use this prompt to generate both your image and your video. So I use this prompt to generate my image. Now I want to generate my video with this same image. What you need to do is this. Click on the image, just hold it and you see this reuse prompt. Click on reuse prompt and it's going to use that same prompt to generate your video for you. Click on the plus sign as usual and it's going to bring you to where your saved projects on Google Flow are. You know the image you want to use. Click on it and this is our image. Yeah, this one down here, so that it could be attached to our prompt. Okay, now once you've done that, don't forget to come here and check, make sure it is set to video. Okay, you see this is gonna be using 15 credits. Now you click on generate and it's generating, so wait for it to generate. This is it, it has generated. Now let's watch it together. You can see how realistic our chicken sauce came out because it prepared chicken sauce for us. This is very interesting to watch. Now I will be showing you another simple prompt you could use to make another amazing ASMR video. Now come here and I'll paste my prompt. Now this is the prompt, and in this prompt I'm going to be using a male character in this prompt, and this is the food the male will be cooking for us: spaghetti. This prompt is short, catchy, and just straight to the point. So if you're not comfortable with the other prompts, you could use this prompt. Now you see this place where the particular dish we want our character to be making. You could change the dish to any dish you want your character to be making. Just clean off this and replace with your own dish. Now for this prompt, I don't have any reference image or any image to attach to it, so make sure this is still set to video, and I clicked on generate because we want a video right away. We'll wait a little, and yeah, it has generated. Let's watch it together. Oh my world, you see how realistic this character came out? This prompt is different, so you could also use this prompt. Everything is well detailed for a 10 seconds video. The first prompt is right here on the screen, so you can pause and copy it. And if you want the second prompt I used for this video, I've pinned it in the comment section. So what do you think about this? If you want to start YouTube shorts with this particular niche, you could do that and start posting shorts right away. So do tell me in the comment section if you want more videos like this and your feedbacks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.